Solar-powered smart tractor. The solar-powered smart tractor revolutionizes farming, operating autonomously while conserving energy through cutting-edge solar technology. A machine built for efficiency, sustainability, and precision. 2. Vertical farming robot assistant. The vertical farming robot assistant combines robotics and AI to manage urban farms, ensuring fresh produce all year round. 3. Autonomous irrigation system. This autonomous irrigation system brings precision and sustainability, using minimal water while maximizing crop yields. 4th, robotic orchard picker. The robotic orchard picker ensures no fruit is wasted, efficiently harvesting ripe produce with delicate AI-guided precision. 5. AI Soil Health Analyzer. Introducing the AI Soil Health Analyzer, a must-have for precision agriculture, giving farmers the data they need to enrich their soil and boost productivity. 6. Hydrogen-powered farm truck. This hydrogen-powered farm truck combines sustainability and heavy-duty performance, making it the perfect companion for modern farmers. 7. AI Livestock Monitoring System. The AI Livestock Monitoring System ensures animal welfare, tracking health metrics to improve overall farm management. 8. Smart bee pollinator drone. When nature needs a helping hand, smart bee drones step in, ensuring pollination and supporting global food security. 9. AI Crop Yield Forecaster. The AI Crop Yield Forecaster gives farmers an edge by predicting harvest outcomes with precision, enabling smarter planning. 10. Solar-powered robotic seeder. This solar-powered robotic seeder combines renewable energy with AI precision, ensuring every seed has the best chance to thrive. 11th, AI weather-controlled greenhouse. The AI weather-controlled greenhouse ensures perfect growing conditions year-round, making farming more reliable and efficient. 12th, autonomous crop harvester drone. This autonomous crop harvester drone redefines farming by bringing efficiency and speed to aerial harvesting operations. 13th, AI pest elimination bot. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals. The AI pest elimination bot uses lasers to target pests, protecting crops naturally. 14. Multi-terrain autonomous tractor. The multi-terrain autonomous tractor brings the future of farming to challenging landscapes, turning any terrain into productive farmland. Precision fertilizer drone. With pinpoint precision, the fertilizer drone minimizes waste while maximizing crop health, revolutionizing nutrient delivery. Self-driving water tanker. The self-driving water tanker ensures every drop counts, bringing life to fields even in the harshest conditions. AI grain sorting machine. Say hello to smarter post-harvest processing. The AI grain sorter ensures only the best grains make it to the market. Solar AI-powered weed killer. The solar AI-powered weed killer eliminates weeds naturally, saving crops and reducing dependency on harmful chemicals. AI livestock. Sorting robot. Managing livestock has never been easier with the AI livestock sorter, ensuring a safer and more organized farm. Hydrogen-powered autonomous seeder. This eco-friendly seeder combines renewable hydrogen power with advanced automation, ensuring sustainable agriculture. Futuristic AI-controlled combine. This AI-controlled combine harvester is the pinnacle of precision and speed, redefining productivity in farming. AI swarm robot planters. Together, these AI swarm planters revolutionize speed and accuracy in planting, bringing unparalleled efficiency to agriculture. Carbon capturing plow. The carbon capturing plow combats climate change while enriching soil for sustainable farming. Futuristic hydroponic towers. These futuristic hydroponic towers maximize food production while conserving water and space in urban settings. Precision vineyard. Pruning bot. Precision meets viticulture with the vineyard pruning bot, ensuring perfect vines for the finest wines. Autonomous multi-crop robot. One machine for every crop. The multi-crop robot adapts to diverse farming needs, redefining versatility in agriculture.